Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll solve the Math No Calculator section of the October 2019 US SAT. So let's begin. Question 1. What is the solution to the equation 2x plus 3 equal to 7? So 2x plus 3 is 7. So 2x is 4. So x is 2. Option C. Question 2. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? 2x cube plus 3x times x cube minus 2x. So 2 times x to the power 6 minus 4 times x to the power 4 plus 3 times x to the power 4 minus 6x squared. So 2 times x to the power 6 minus 4 plus 3 minus x to the power 4 minus 6x squared. So 2x to the power 6 minus x to the power 4 minus 6x squared, option C. The graph of y is equal to fx is shown in the xy plane. What is the value of f0? So you can see that when x is 0, the graph passes through -8. So that's option A. The city transit bus line charges $2 for an adult and $1 for a child to ride one way. During a certain 4-hour shift, a bus driver collected 1171 from 617 riders. Which of the following systems of equations could be used to determine the number of adult riders A and the number of child riders C during this 4-hour shift? So the total number of riders was 617. So A plus C is 617. And from each adult rider, the line collects $2. So for A riders, it would be 2A. And for each child rider, the line collects $1. So for C, it would be C. And that total is 1171. So these are the two equations. So it would be A plus C is 617 and 2A plus C is 1171, right? So option D. In the xy plane above, a dilation with center O and scale factor 3 transforms triangle ABC to triangle DEF. Which of the following statements is not true? The perimeter of triangle DEF is 3 times the perimeter of triangle ABC. So that will be true because whatever is the sum of the sides of ABC, the sum of the sides for DEF would be 3 times that because the scale factor is 3. So this is true. The measure of angle E is 3 times the measure of angle B. No, this is not right. The two triangles are similar. So angle E and angle B are the same. So this is not true. So this should be my answer. The length of AB is 1/3 the length of D. Yes, that is true because the scale factor is 3. So AB is 1/3 the length of D. And angle A is congruent to angle D. Yes, again, the two triangles are similar. So A and D are equal. So this is true. In the xy plane, the y coordinate of the y-intercept of the graph of the function f is C. Which of the following must be equal to C? So you know that the y coordinate of the y-intercept is the point where the graph cuts the y-axis. So this is given as 0, C. So the value of the function at 0 will be C, option A. The length of a rectangular tile is 4 times the width of the tile. If the area of the tile is 144 square inches, what is the width of the tile? So let the width be x, then the length is 4x. So the area is the length into width, which is 4x squared, and that is 144. So x squared is 4 3s are 12, 6. So x is 6. So the width is 6 inches, option A. Which of the following is a graph of y minus 5x is equal to 6 in the xy plane? So I can write this as y is 5x minus 6. So one, the slope is positive, so it should be a rising graph, so it can't be A or C. And the y-intercept is -6, so -2, -4, -6. Yeah, so both of them have a y-intercept of -6. And which one has a slope of 5? Let's check. So this is 0, comma, -6, and this is 1, 2, comma, 4. 2, comma, 4. So the slope here is 10 by 2, which is 5. So this should be my answer. And here I have 4, comma, 4 and 0, comma, -6. So the slope here is 10 by 4, which is 2.5. So D is wrong. The table shown gives some values of x and the corresponding values of fx, where f is a linear function. If y is equal to fx is graphed in the xy plane, what is the y coordinate of the y-intercept of the graph? So a linear function can be represented as y is equal to mx plus c. So let me first find the slope. I can use y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 1, 3. So the slope is 2. So y can be written as 2x plus c. And I can use 2, comma 4 in this equation to find c. So 4 is 4 plus c. So c is 0. So the y-intercept is 0, option C. A is 1321 plus 0.3433 m. The equation above can be used to estimate the body surface area in square centimeters of a child with mass m grams, where 3000 is less than m is less than 30,000. Which of the following statements is consistent with the equation? For each increase of 1 gram in mass, A increases by approximately 0.3433 square centimeter. So this is correct because you can see that 0.3433 is the slope of this line. So every time the value of m increases by 1, the value of A will increase by 0.3433. So this is correct. For each increase of 0.3433 grams in mass, A increases by 1 square centimeter. No, this is not the correct interpretation of slope. For each increase of 1 gram in mass, A increases by approximately 1321. No, this is the y-intercept, so this doesn't have a bearing on how A increases. So this is wrong, and D is also wrong. In the xy plane above, points P, Q, R, and T lie on the circle with center O. The degree measures of angle POQ and ROT are each 30 degrees. So this is 30 and this is also 30. What is the radian measure of angle QOR? Okay, so this is angle on a straight line. So angle QOR will be 180 minus 60 because these angles together are 60. So that would be 120 degrees. Now we know that pi radians is 180 degrees. So 120 degrees would be pi by 180 into 120, which is 2 pi by 3 radians, option C. What value of x satisfies the equation above? So 4x squared by x squared minus 9 minus 2x by x plus 3 is 1 by x minus 3. Now I can see that my denominators have x squared minus 9, x plus 3 and x minus 3. And x squared minus 9 is simply x plus 3 times x minus 3. So I know that x cannot be plus or minus 3 because that would make my denominator 0. So let me just multiply the whole equation by x squared minus 9. So I'll get 4x squared minus 2x into x minus 3. is equal to x plus 3, right? Because when I multiply this term by x square minus 9, then x plus 3 and x plus 3 cancels, and I'm left with x minus 3. And when I multiply this term with x square minus 9, then I'm left with x plus 3. So 4x square minus 2x square plus 6x is x plus 3. So 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is 0. So 2x square plus 6x minus x minus 3 is 0. So 2x into x plus 3 minus x plus 3 is 0. So x is 1 by 2 and negative 3. Right? So those are the two values I get, but it can't be negative 3. We already saw that. So x has to be 1 by 2, option C. A right circular cone has a volume of 1 by 3 pi cubic feet and a height of 9 feet. What is the radius of the base of the cone? So the volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r squared h. So that's 1 by 3 pi is 1 by 3 pi r squared into 9, because the height is 9. So 1 by 3 pi and 1 by 3 cancels. So r squared is 1 by 9. So r is 1 by 3. So the radius is 1 by 3, option A. Which of the following is equivalent to r to the power 2 by 5 times root r? So r to the power 2 by 5 times r to the power 1 by 2, because root r is r to the power 1 by 2. So r to the power 2 by 5 plus 1 by 2, because when the bases are the same and I multiply two exponents, then the powers get added. So r to the power 10, 4 plus 5. So r to the power 9 by 10. So that's option D. Okay, a scientist tested a group of adults aged 30 to 85. The graph shows the quadratic function S, which models their scores on a language test as a function of their age X in years. Which of the following could define S? Okay, so we have the vertex form. So let's first find the vertex. It appears to be here. So 55 is the X coordinate and 50 is the Y coordinate. So the vertex form of the parabola is y is a times x minus h whole squared plus k, where h comma k is the vertex. So x minus 55 whole squared plus 50. So then I can cancel a and c, right? And between b and d, I simply can look at the parabola. Because the parabola is opening downward, the leading coefficient a has to be negative. And that's negative here, minus 1 by 320. Here the leading coefficient is positive, so this can't be the answer. It will be B. Okay, let's do the gridden questions. On a 210-mile trip, Cameron drove an average speed of 60 miles per hour for the first X hours. He then completed the trip, driving at an average speed of 50 miles per hour for the remaining Y hours. If X is 1, what is the value of Y? Okay, so 60 miles per hour for 1 hour. So that's the distance covered is 60 into 1. So that's 60. So how much is left? 210 minus 60. So distance left is 150. And he went at a speed of 50 miles. So time would be 150 by 50, which is 3. So the value of y here is 3. In the equation above, what is the value of z when w is 2? Okay, so 2z times 4 minus 3 into 2, 6 minus 10 is 2z. So 4 into 2, 8z minus 2z is 6z. And this is 16. So z is 16 by 6, which is 8 by 3. So the value of z is 8 by 3. What value of x satisfies the equation above? So let root x be t. Then I can say t squared minus 2t minus 3 is 0. So t squared minus 3t plus t minus 3 is 0. So t minus 3 into t plus 1 is 0. So t is 3 and negative 1. But t was root x, so root x is 3 and negative 1. So x would be 9 or 1, right? But I don't think 1 would work, because if 1 was true, then root x would be plus 1, not negative 1. So I would just take x as 9. So this is 9. If xy is the solution to the system of equations above, what is the value of x? So I can just add the two equations. So 2x is 5. So x would be 5 by 2. In the equation above, k is a constant. If the equation has infinitely many solutions, what is the value of k? So if the equation has infinitely many solutions, then it's true for all values of x. So x minus 2 and x minus 2 can be cancelled. So 2k is 1. So k is 1 by 2. So the value of k is half. Okay, so that was the no calculator section. Let's grade this. Starting from question 1. CCADB, CCADB, AABCA, AABCA, CCADB, CCADB, and 3 8 by 3 9, 3 8 by 3 9, 2.5 and half, 2.5 and half. Okay, we got all correct. Hope this helped. If it did, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section what other videos you'd like me to upload. I'll see you in a new video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.